Let me show you an Instagram update, how to use voice changing effects in Instagram Reels. There are now 5 different types of voices that you can use and choose, and here's what they are.
Helium,
Giant,
Vocalist,
Announcer, and Robot.
Don't worry if you don't have the feature yet, it's coming soon. You shouldn't be surprised by now. Instagram always takes a little while and rolls out updates in stages. I have 3 different accounts. The only one this is working on and actually has it is my business account. So if you have a personal account or creator account, you might have to wait a little while. You can now upload voice effects to any videos that you upload into Reels, that you record in Reels, and that you want to add voiceover to in Reels. So let me show you how. On your profile, head to the top right hand corner and press the plus button and pick Reel. When you're in Reels now, you want to record something, or you can upload if you press the video in the bottom of the left hand corner. So this is where you would record whatever it is that you want to record. So I'm now going to record just a blank piece of video so I can add the voiceover later. Then we head over to the preview button in the bottom right hand corner, and then we hit adjust audio in the bottom left hand corner. This is the bit that's different. So first of all, if you want to change the voiceover, you're going to go to the camera audio, hit the 3 dots at the bottom, press add effect, and then choose whatever effect it is that you want. So let's just hit helium. Once you pick whatever one it is that you want, hit done. Now when you listen back to the video, you'll be able to hear the voices change.
this is where you would record whatever it is that you want to record.
Now if you want to add an effect to a voiceover, this is how you do it. In the new screen, on the right hand side, you'll see add voiceover. If you hit the add voiceover, move the marker to where you want to start, and I'm going to start in that blank bit, and I'm just going to record something over the top. This is where we do a voiceover, and we're going to change the effect. Hit done. Now hit the 3 dots at the bottom again, and you can go to add effect. From here, choose your effect. I'll go to giant, hit done. Now all you want to make sure is that your levels are correct. So listen back and you can lower your camera audio and keep the voiceover higher, or vice versa, especially if you've got a crossover. But if you haven't, then you don't need to worry about it. You can have it up full, and there you go.
This is where you would record whatever it is that you want to record.
This is where we do a voiceover and we're going to change the effect.
Okay, that's how you add audio effects to Instagram Reels. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to tappity tap tap that like button. And if you're not already, then please subscribe. I've been Ray. This is Simply Create. Thank you for watching.